Christopher Robin loved them all. Winnie the Pooh, his nervous friend Piglet, Eeyore the cynical donkey, Kanga and Little Roo, and many, many others. Right.
Oh, the butterflies are flying, and the winter days are dying, and the buttercups are trying to be seen. And the turtle doves are cooing, and the woods are up and doing, and the violets are bluing in the green.
Buzz, 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 buzz. Cookie, 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 cuckoo. Boo, boo.
Oh, the honeybees are gumming on their little wings and humming that the summer which is coming will be fun.
And the cows are almost cooing, and the turtle doves are mooing, which is why a poo is pooing in the sun.
La 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 la. Cookie, 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 cuckoo.
For the spring is really springing, you can see a skylark singing, and the bluebells which are ringing can be heard. And the cuckoo isn't cooing, but he's humming and he's oohing, and the poo is simply pooing like a bird.
Yes, a poo is simply pooing like a bird.
Hello, Pooh.
Good morning, Piglet.
What's that song you were singing, Pooh?
Oh, it's a song I made up. Did you like it?
Oh, I really couldn't tell unless I heard it several times first.
Oh, well, then I'll sing it several times.
Oh,
Oh, the butterflies are flying now.
Pooh, I just thought, if you sang that song to Eeyore, it might cheer him up.
Oh?
He's more gloomy than ever this morning.
All right. And on the way over to Eeyore's gloomy place, I'll sing it to you several times, and then you'll know if you like it or not.
Oh.
Oh, the butterflies are flying now, the winter days